We will guide you through a soothing massage routine designed to relieve the numbness associated with carpal tunnel syndrome. This simple yet effective massage targets key areas in your hands and wrists to help restore sensation and reduce discomfort. Let's get started on your journey to relief and better hand health. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it.
Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of our videos.
First, we do the warm up. Shake off your hand and forearm. Shake it off for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then massage the palm with circular motions using the other hand for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is to force activate better blood flow. Let's try it one more time. Shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then massage the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To begin, we can use oil massage, especially if your skin is dry. But for everyone else, this is optional. For the first technique, we'll focus on enhancing blood flow from the forearm to the hand using a targeted massage. Rest your forearms on your thighs or a pillow, whichever is more comfortable. Begin by massaging the upper forearm near the elbow, applying pressure and gradually moving towards the wrist. Start on the inner side of the forearm, ensuring a firm yet gentle squeeze to promote circulation. Then right after, we again massage the palm using circular motions just like what we did in the warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we proceed with the middle area of the forearm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lastly, we massage the outer part of the forearm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For the second technique, we'll focus on massaging the extensor part of the forearm. Using the ulnar side of your opposite arm, apply pressure by gliding it from the top of your forearm down to the back of your wrist. Finish with 3 gentle taps on the back of your hand. This method further stimulates blood circulation, activates the nerves, and helps alleviate the numbness associated with carpal tunnel syndrome. Let's begin. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, and 10. 1, 2, 3. To conclude the massage, gently pull and squeeze the tips of your fingers where the tiny nerve endings are most concentrated and where touch sensation is most sensitive. Now repeat the entire process on the other arm starting from the first step. Please hit like and subscribe to see more of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.